Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Camry front bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely elevated on jack stands and remove the front wheels for better access. Next, carefully locate and remove all the plastic clips and screws that secure the bumper to the fender liners on both sides. Don't forget to unscrew the several bolts positioned along the top edge of the bumper, connecting it to the radiator support. This prepares the bumper for the next steps. Now, let's move to the underside of the bumper. You'll find more plastic clips and screws that need to be removed to fully free the lower section. After that, gently detach the grille from the bumper assembly. It's usually held by several clips. It's crucial to unplug any electrical connectors for components like fog lights or parking sensors before proceeding. Take a moment to double-check for any overlooked fasteners, especially around the headlights. With the top and bottom fasteners removed, it's time to release the side mounts. Gently pull the bumper's sides away from the fenders. You'll feel the retaining clips disengage with a slight pop. Work slowly and evenly on both sides to avoid damaging the paint or the clips themselves. Before the final pull, confirm that all wiring harnesses are completely disconnected. Have a soft blanket or cardboard ready to place the bumper on once it's free. Finally, with all fasteners and clips released, carefully pull the entire bumper straight off the vehicle. It should slide away smoothly. Avoid twisting or bending the bumper during this step to prevent any damage to its structure or paint. Once removed, take a moment to inspect both the bumper and the vehicle for any signs of wear or damage. Store the bumper safely on a soft, flat surface to prevent any scratches or dents.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.